Next, question number 1-4. In 1-4, equation given 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2, and another equation 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. These two equations first we have to convert to linear equation by substituting what 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to v, like this way. Now we solve this one sum like this way. Let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to v. Then equation number 1 will be 5u plus v equal to 0. Sorry, this one equal to 2. And this one equation we naming number 3. Then equation number 2 will be like this way. 6 1 by x minus 1, that's why 6u plus, this one minus 3v equal to 1. This one equation number 4. Now this one v plus p, this one minus p, that's why if we multiply this one by 3, equation number 3, then 3v will get, and if we add, then v will be cancelled. Therefore equation number 3, if we multiply it by 3, then we will get 5 3s are 15u, then plus 3v and 3 2s are 6, then equation number this one 5. This one no need to multiply equation number 4. Why? Because already minus 3v have. Now if we add, because this one minus, this one plus, if opposite sign are there and coefficients are equal, then we have to add. Therefore equation 4 plus 5, then we will get 5 plus 6 11 means 21u, and this one will be cancelled, this one 7. This implies u equal to 7 by 21 equal to, this means u equal to 1 by 3. We get the value of u. Now to find the value of v, first we have to now substituting u equal to 1 by 3 in, suppose equation number 4. Why you put the value of u equal to 1 by 3? Because this one 6, then we can easily simplify. Therefore if we put in 4, then 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3v equal to 1. Now this one if we cancel, then 2 will get, that means 2 minus 3v equal to 1. And this one we can write minus 3v equal to 1 minus 2, means minus 3v equal to minus 1. It means v equal to 1 by minus 1 by minus 3, v equal to 1 by 3. We get the value of u and v. Now u equal to 1 by 3, but u equal to, we put u equal to what? 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u. That's why in place of u we write 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. That means x minus 1 equal to 3 if we cross multiply. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus 1. This means x is equal to how much? 4. We get the value of x. And v equal to how much? V equal to 1 by 3. V also 1 by 3. This implies v means we substitute what? V means 1 by y minus 2. Therefore 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. This implies y minus 2 equal to 3. Therefore y equal to 3 plus 2, that means y equal to how much? 5. We get the value of x and y. Therefore x is equal to 4 and y equal to 5. This one our answer. I hope all of you understand.